Welcome back to the shrine. Today, a little different project. My friend dropped off his bike, which you can see, think of a beauty. Nicely coordinated colors of black and orange everywhere, a little white in it. Beautiful, beautiful bike. I love that combination, that fiery orange and black with the Zipp carbon wheels. Looks fantastic. He's running cyclocross, and one of his issues is this bag. He likes to keep his stuff in this bag, and you can see the bag is mounted to the top of the frame in such a way that it's being supported here on the back and being supported in the neck here. Then you can see there are two Velcros. The problem is that it has a tendency to fall over either side, and then as he's pedaling, you know, his leg is going up and down, and if this is crooked like that, it's gonna hit it. So he asked me if I can come up with a solution for that, and sure enough, I was born to come up with solutions like such. So after some deliberation and some talking here, came up with this design right there. So we put some dimensions on it. You can see it's a plastic clamp, and the way it works is once it's 3D printed, it will snap onto the frame by this diameter, and then I got these rubber O-rings, and we're just gonna attach the O-ring there, basically snap around on the frame, and then pull these two parts together so it doesn't wiggle. And then this top part is gonna be flat, horizontal, and it's gonna support the bottom of the bag. Here's the part I designed. You can see it's a very simple part. Pretty much this is just an extrusion. So I created a sketch, added some radiuses and dimensions, nothing extraordinary. You can see it's pretty much the same as the hand sketch, except it's to scale, and it's extruded from this plane. Then I added a cut, the mirror plane, mirrored the cut, so that creates the basic feature. Then I added some radiuses, couple of extrusions here for no particular reason. Then there's a text on the top. So that's pretty much it. Here's the part fresh off the printer. Just did some trimming, removed some of the support. My printer just had one print head, so the support is an essential part of the print. So remove the support, put some initials on it. Hope he's gonna like it. So let's give it a try. That's first time, I promise. There you go. So snaps on, it doesn't wobble. Here's an O-ring, and you can see that the fit is kind of loose, so I can depress one side and then it's gonna move. So let's see if the O-ring improves. Well, the O-ring did some improvement, but it's not ideal. And you can see I'm pressing on one side and it will turn easily. So what else we can do? I'm thinking that the clear coat on the frame is real. It's got a low coefficient of friction, and this plastic also has a low coefficient of friction. So maybe we need to put some interface. So let me think. Look at that. It's a pair of gloves, well, one side. So let's just cut some interface material out of it and see if that improves the friction problem. So here's a little piece of interface material. I'm gonna take off the O-ring and then remove this, put on the interface material and snap it back on, and then put the O-ring back. So wow, that's a lot better. So I'm pushing this really hard and it stays put. Yeah, I'll show you a close shot so you can see I'm pushing here really hard and it stays put. So I actually need to apply quite the force to get it moving. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this glove into size and then basically glue it in. So here's the final product. You can see that it's pretty stable. It's not really moving. So here's the bag. You can see the bag is not moving. It doesn't want to bow off either side. So this is providing a stable platform for the bag. So with that will be a wrap for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.